this Saturday, September 13th from 1 to 4. This is your first opportunity to see this house in over 25 years. So stop by, check out all the work that's been done, have a taco and a beverage, and we'll see you there. Thank you for viewing 26742 Bridlewood Drive. For further information or to schedule your own private showing of this beautiful Moulton Ranch home, dial the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Moulton Ranch and Orange County, California.